In this video, I'm going to show you how to block notifications on iPhone while gaming. And before I continue, please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. So first thing, you want to open up settings, and from there you want to go to focus. Once you're here on focus, you want to create your own focus, but I'm going to use mine as an example. So as you can see, I have people none allowed and apps none allowed. That means that I won't get any calls or notifications from no messages, no apps, anything. I will get them back as soon as you turn off the focus mode. But that's basically how it works. You need to come here, set it up, click like that nobody is allowed, and basically that's it. And then all you need to do is come here, turn it on, and it will work, and open up your favorite gaming app and game out. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments down below, and also leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.